In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own water structuring device for either free or extremely cheaply. Here's how we're going to do it. Number one, this is a water structuring device. It's portable, but you can also use it at home. And this is one you're going to pay somewhere between, depending on the sales, $299 to $300 or $499 for this water structuring device. Now, if you know anything about pure, clean water, you know that for water to be optimally healthy and to nourish your cells and be hydrating, it really needs to be structured, ideally. And structured water just means it has some sort of a structure and it's not just all chaotic. And the way we structure water is by vortexing the water or by running it through a native or natural environment. Like it moves over the stones in the river, it goes through these shapes. It's moving water, distilled water, not still. It's moving, it's living. It's not still and dead. So what happens is our water goes through all these pipes and it goes through 90-degree angles. These are not natural. And when we get the water to where we're ready to drink it, we'd like it to be restructured, and therefore it tends to be more hydrating to the body from all the studies that we've seen that are out there. And you can buy these water structuring devices like this, and they're hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars. So sometimes people get a little turned off, and that's a lot of money to spend on this little funnel. It's basically a funnel, and the water enters the top and it comes out the bottom, and as it moves through the funnel, it'll sort of vortex, it'll move around. There are like some rocks in here, some natural rocks, and they're very round. You can see that they've been industrially rounded to make them into these shapes. And this round shape that you see in here isn't really typical of a rock that you'd find in nature. So while this will structure water and wine and juice, what have you, you can do better than this at home. And you don't have to spend that kind of money if you don't wish to do that. If you want all in one done for you, sure. But what I'm going to show you is how to make this for yourself for free. Now, I'm assuming that you have a funnel, and preferably not plastic. So stainless steel would be great. You might already have one at home and you're good to go. I picked up a copper funnel. So I don't know, like what are you going to spend 10, 20 bucks? It's way cheaper than hundreds. So I might have spent 20 bucks on this copper funnel. And basically we want the water to move, to vortex, to pull in that good cosmic energy. So the funnel is going to help with that. When I'm pouring my water into my container, it will vortex through this funnel. And I like copper. I think copper has some magical properties. So you can use stainless steel, as I said, you can use glass. Those things are great options. I just personally love copper. So I grabbed a copper funnel and I bought one specifically for my water. So it had a wide enough bottom that it wasn't like taking forever to fill my water up. Otherwise, I'm not going to use it. And here's what you're going to do to make a natural way for the water to move through this funnel. You're going to go out yourself, and I wonder if you could hear me this whole video. We're going to have to do this again. All right, how easy is this? Here we go. We're going to take this funnel. You are going to go out to your favorite place. And if you're like me, I've got bags of these already at home that I collected from Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, and just all over the place. Some of these actually came from Wyoming. So look at this little crystal. I got this from Wyoming out in Yellowstone. It's a beautiful little quartz crystal. Okay, so crystals and natural rocks. These are literally rocks that I found in Lake Superior or on the shore of Lake Superior. And these are rocks that I liked. I was like, oh, this is a really cool rock. And I picked it up and I put it in my pocket. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your funnel and you're going to take your rocks, your crystals. Okay, so those are, there's no rhyme or reason. This is nature. It puts things randomly, but always in the right way. And you can do this. So there's my rocks. I'm going to take the water, my filtered water, and I have this little tab. So I've got a big bottle of water, glass bottle that you've seen in my videos, hopefully, and I fill it up with gallons of water. I slide this under there. So this is under the big bottle of water. I turn the faucet on from that water, the spigot, and I fill up my glasses or my water bottles, and my water is structured. It couldn't be easier. Anybody can do this at home. It is so simple and so inexpensive, and you are going to get the best tasting water. I tell you what, taste water that's gone through something like this versus just water that hasn't been through a structuring device. You will notice the difference. Try, if you drink wine, pour your wine before it goes in the glass through here, and pour a glass of wine not through here, and try them separately. I guarantee you will notice a big difference, and you're going to like the way this tastes. Good luck, everybody.